Okay, class, have a seat. So,
Let's get started.
hey, teacher. Yes, Simon, what's up? Can I go to the bathroom, please? I don't know. Can you? May I go to the bathroom? I don't know. May you? Do you want me to pee on the floor? Because I'll pee on the floor. I'll do it right now.
Simon, don't you even think about doing that.
Let me go to the bathroom then, and I won't.
And why would I do that?
Didn't I just say I'll pee on the floor?
Simon, you should know this by now. In my class, I don't allow anyone to go to the bathroom no matter what.
Then why is there a bathroom right there?
Attached to the classroom.
That's my, it's my broom closet with a toilet and a sink and, maybe a shower with a bathtub.
Huh? So pipe down and hold it in until the end of class, okay?
Okay, teacher? I'm gonna say this one last time. If you don't let me go to the bathroom in the next 5 seconds, I will relieve myself all over the carpet.
Think about doing that. This carpet is new!
Then can I go to the bathroom or not?
I don't know.
Can you?
You know you